Managing multiple WooCommerce stores is way too hard. That's why we built the Syncio plugin. It's like a magic bridge between all your stores so they can talk to each other in real time. Want to copy your products from one store to another? Syncio does it in seconds. All your pictures, prices, descriptions, everything flows over instantly, and you can still customize the products on each store afterwards if you want. And the best part? Real-time inventory sync. When a product sells on one store, Syncio automatically updates stock levels everywhere else. No more accidentally selling things you don't have. No more manual spreadsheet updates. It just works. Whether you're managing multi-stores that share a single WordPress installation or standalone stores with separate installations, Syncio works for both setups. Connect as many stores as you want, sync instantly, and scale effortlessly. Download the Syncio plugin for free and get back to doing what you actually enjoy.